Hey everyone, I'm Ethan. Now, a good foundation is important for houses, banana splits, and CNC machines. So today, I'm going to show you how to put together your very own I2R stand. Here we go.
First things first, you're going to want to get it out of the box. Once you get it open, it's going to look something like this. Grab all your parts out of the box and make sure you keep them safe. You don't want any scratches. Unwrap them so you know what you're working with. Now for the biggest part. You're going to want to be safe when you take this out because, yeah, that could happen. Don't worry, everything's good, all good, it stayed safe. As you can see, this is the biggest part you're gonna have, so you're gonna wanna handle it carefully. Put that aside for now. This little box right here has all your parts in it. Your bolts, your washers, your wheels, your feet, and a lot of other odds and ends that you're gonna need to use for this assembly. You don't really need any tools for this assembly. You could do it all by hand, but I suggest grabbing a ratchet. It helps you tighten things down a little bit easier. I also suggest that you use the cardboard box as a place to assemble all your pieces on. It keeps things safe and off the floor. Grab your 4 top parts and bolt them together. I like to tighten it up with my fingers first, like I'm doing here, then use the ratchet to tighten it the rest of the way down. Okay, you got your first one done. Now you gotta do all the rest. I'll wait. When all 4 sides are together, it should look something like this. Next, grab your feet. You're going to want to attach these to the holes in the bottom of the legs. You can see that the feet are adjustable. That's going to help you out a lot. Again, I like to put the cardboard down first to keep everything safe. Attach all the legs using the bolts. Tighten up with your fingers, and then use the ratchet when you need to tighten it all the way down. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Once you finish up the first leg, you gotta do the other 3. When you're done, it should look something like this. Well, hopefully not as awkward as this, but you get the idea. Now, with the adjustable feet, even if you have an uneven surface that your base is going on, you can still adjust them so it sits nice and clean on the floor. Obviously, this is a little bit of an extreme, but you get the idea. Now you're going to attach the first part of your swinging bracket. Again, I'm putting the cardboard down to keep everything safe. This is your bottom piece, but I'm putting it on the top here so it's easier to work with. Attach your wheels. You're going to want to bolt these in. And keep going on them. You get the idea. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Lock them down. Spin it around like a cat toy. Do it for all 4 of them, just to keep entertained, you know, because it's fun. Now again, this is your biggest piece. Yes, it has wheels on it so you can move it around, but I like to slide it in using the cardboard. That way it stays free of the rest of the base and I can just drop it in. Lock it all in place using your bolts. 2 on each side, 8 all together. Lock them in with the ratchet. Save this part for last because you don't want to be banging your head on it when you're putting the bottom on. Lock it up on the top and lock it up on the bottom. Look at that, you got yourself a little swing. This right here is the cherry on top. Lock it in, and look at that. You got yourself a stand.
And that's how you put together your stand. This thing is sturdy. Ready for the CNC.